Assalamu alaikum. The topic for our discussion is magnetostatic fields. Magnetostatic, as the name indicates, is due to magnetism. Magnetostatic is the study of magnetic fields in systems where the currents are steady, not changing with time. It means due to continuous velocity. Magnetostatic produced by moving current with constant velocity. Magnetostatic field has two parameters which are H and B, where H is equal to magnetic field intensity and B is equal to magnetic flux density. Magnetostatic is also produced by moving charge. So what is current? Current is flow of charge moving from one point to another point. Here we have 2 points A and B, and the indicator show I moving current at constant speed. Therefore, magnetostatic is equal to moving charge, whereas we know that electrostatic is produced by static and stationary charges as shown in figure. Application: all systems involve magnetization and current such as motor, transformers, microphone, compasses, telephone, television, bell ringers, etc. All these applications involved magnetostatic field. Relationship between magnetic flux density and magnetic field intensity. In magnetostatic, B is equal to mu H, where mu is equal to permeability constant, which is 4 pi into 10 to raise power minus 7 Henry per meter. Now here is a table in which we will discuss comparison between electrostatic and magnetostatic. In electrostatic law, main law is Coulomb's law, but in magnetostatic main law is Biot-Savart's law, special law Gauss's law, and in magnetostatic special law is your special case is Ampere's law. Also basic law F is equal to, as we have studied in Coulomb's law, F is equal to Q1 Q2 over 4 pi epsilon naught R square is dot product, whereas magnetic field dB is equal to mu naught I dl over 4 pi R square is a cross product. Force law F is equal to QE, E is equal to electric field, F is equal to QU into B, where Q is equal to charge and U is equal to velocity. Source element dq, and in magnetostatic source element dqu is equal to I dl. I is equal to current and dl is equal to differential length. Field intensity E is equal to velocity over length, whereas in magnetostatic H is equal to I over L. Relationship between field D is equal to epsilon E and B is equal to mu H. Laws governing magnetostatic field. There are two laws governing magnetostatic field, which are Biot's Savart's law and Ampere's law. Biot-Savart's law states that the differential magnetic field intensity dH produced at any point P by the differential current element IDL is proportional to product IDL and sine of angle between element and line joining to the element, and inversely proportional to square of distance between point P and element E. Above statement is drawn in the figure, where straight line is a conducting wire, and here we have small differential element. Current is flowing in the direction. If we have a point P which is tangent to the conducting wire, the angle between point P and the wire is theta, where R is the distance between differential element and point P. So according to statement, differential magnetic field dH is proportional to differential current element IDL sine theta over R square, where 1 over 4 pi is epsilon proportional constant. This is magnitude formula. If you want to calculate direction, So dH is equal to 1 over 4 pi I dl, over where r is unit vector, direction vector. We know that r is equal to vector over vector का magnitude, then r square will be the r cube. So total magnetic field intensity H is equal to integration dH, and we will put the formula. Unit of magnetic field intensity is ampere per meter. For direction of magnitude field intensity, right hand thumb rule is used. For example, we have a straight wire in which current I is flowing and we have a point P. Then according to right hand thumb rule, the direction of current will be inside the page, and if we are flowing in the current is clockwise, then the direction will be outside the page. Now the second law is Ampere's law. It states that line integral of magnetic field intensity over closed loop is equal to total enclosed current by that loop, which is integration, and circle shows closed loop. H dot dl is equal to I. Integral of magnetic field intensity over closed loop is equal to current enclosed by that loop. For example, we have a single wire and in which current I is flowing. Dotted line shows the magnetic field which is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. Then by right hand thumb rule, I is equal to total current enclosed by the, and if we have more than one wire, I1, I2, I3 and I4, and the magnetic field intensity is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction, then according to Ampere's law, magnetic field intensity over closed loop is equal to total current enclosed by that loop, I1 plus I3 plus I4 minus I2. I2 shows because the direction negative sign with I2 means the direction of current is opposite. Here these are the two laws which shows the magnetostatic field and laws governing magnetostatic field.